Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you gift wrap nail art design step by step guide. A lovely manicure inspired by beautifully wrapped gift under the Christmas tree. You should have to follow the step by step guide if you want to make your nails with gift wrap nail art design. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a red nail polish. Step number 2 is using a nail art brush and a gold nail polish. Paint across on your nails. Step number 3, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Paint a thinner white line inside the gold line. Step number 4, using a nail art brush and a gold nail polish. Begin the bow by painting an X shape in the center of the ring. Finger and thumb nails. Step number 5, using the same tool and nail polish, create the loops of the bow by painting a curve on each side of the X shape. Fill in the resulting loops completely with gold. Step number 6, using the same tool and nail polish, draw the ends of the ribbon extending down from the knot, ending them in a V-shaped notch. Fill in the ends completely with gold. Step number 7, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, fill in the bow, leaving an outline of gold. Step number 8, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go. Your beautiful gift wrap nail art design is ready. If you like, please do subscribe my channel. If you have any query about this design, please let me comment below. Thank you very much. Bye.